Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the derivative of x to the power x with respect to x. Consider y is equal to this x to the power of x, or taking natural log to both sides, we can write ln of this y is equal to right side. This will be ln of this x to the power x, or left side, this is ln of this y is equal to, now applying this logarithm formula, ln of a to the power of b is equal to this b times ln of a, ln of a. Now applying this formula in right side, we can write this x times this ln of x, or now differentiating both sides with respect to x, we can write ddx of this left side ln of y is equal to right side, this will be ddx of this x times ln of x, or now applying this formula, dx of ln of x is equal to 1 over x. So derivative this ln of y with respect to x, we will get this 1 over y, and derivative this y with respect to x, it will be dx of this y is equal to, now applying another formula in right side, dx of uv, here u and v both are function of x. So derivative this with respect to x, it will be u times derivative ddx of this v, plus this v times derivative of u with respect to x is dx of u. So applying this formula, this x considered as u and this ln of x considered as v. So right side we can write, by applying this formula, this x as u times dx of this v, that means ln of x, plus this v, that means ln of x, times dx of u, that means this x. Now left side, this is 1 over y times ddx of y is equal to this x times ddx of ln of x, this is 1 over x, plus this ln of x times ddx of x, this is 1. Now multiplying both sides by y, we will get ddx of y is equal to this y times this x, and this x will cancel and it will remain 1, plus right side ln of x times 1 is ln of x. As we have y is equal to x to the power x, so we can write left side ddx of y is x to the power x is equal to, here y is x to the power x times this 1 plus ln of x, and this is the derivative of x to the power x with respect to x. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.